You want penny stocks? I got 3 good penny stocks on here. I don't want anyone here. Let's dig in. Welcome to the newsroom. Listen, I got 3 penny stocks on here. I spent all night looking for penny stocks. There's so much junk out there, you gotta look for hours. You gotta filter through the garbage. And then, hey, you might find a little diamond in there. It might be a little dirty. You gotta polish it. Is it a fake diamond or a real diamond? That's what we're gonna find out. But hey, listen, I understand that a lot of you guys don't have a lot of money in your account. Okay? Traders, they're beat up, especially now, because a lot of your money is going towards bills while you're stuck at home watching Netflix and trading because you can't work. So I wanted to compile 3 stocks, 3 worthy penny stocks. A lot of penny stocks are junk. Okay, they're all little rinky-dink companies in the middle of nowhere. I wanted to find 3 penny stocks that actually could be valuable, actually show potential and growth to where you could turn a $1 stock into a $5 stock. That's 5x. So if you're trading with $100, $500, you could turn that 500 into 2,500. Now that's pretty good. And that's what I like when it comes to penny stocks. Listen, I'll be the first one to say, I don't ever really trade penny stocks, but when I found these 3, I might be dipping into one of them. So let's dig in and see what stocks these are. So the first stock is ticker CCO, Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings, currently trading at $1.36. Now, who are these butt nuts? I like to find out what is the company, look into a little bit, browse their website. I don't just buy in. Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings is an outdoor advertising company, owns and operates and sells advertising displays. Okay, so we all seen it driving on the highway. You see the billboard or, a bus stop, you see it there. Wherever you may go, you see an advertisement. This company has those plots to where you can advertise on them and you pay them, and that's how they make their revenue. So here's a few of their advertisements they've done. Groupon, a home opener, delayed, whatever that is. I don't know, but this just gives you an idea to show you that their advertisements are working and they're out there. Boston South Station, they have a lot of advertising spots there. SoFi, Sunset Strip exclusive. That's a big billboard for Fast and Furious. Times Square they're in. So they're out there. They're in these places. So look at this. They do a billboard at bus stations. So while you're waiting for the bus, you can read a billboard. And if you're smart enough to look in the lower left-hand corner, you can see it's by this company. You buy the penny stock, triple up, and now you're no longer riding a bus, you're buying a vat. Awesome. Now let's look at the technicals of this thing. Immediately I see that this stock is now uptrending. As you can see, it was uptrending, downtrending. Now it's in the uptrend. When will that uptrend end? I don't know. Let's take a look. So I do believe that this uptrend will continue because it has cleared a major resistance at 133. It broke out. That's a big green flag. So I have a bullish scenario that this stock will continue to 167 because it broke out. That's a nice little move. That's a nice 30 cents move, which might not sound like a lot, but it's $1.33. So if it does hit that 167, you have to then decide, are you going to put it or are you going to continue to hold long? Because that 167 is a next ceiling. This thing needs a breakthrough. So it's either going to hit 167 and fall back to the 133, or it's going to blast through and continue its massive run and rally, maybe into the 2s, and then maybe into the 3s. Now, if there's a trader that you follow that only gives you bullish scenarios and only says to buy XYZ, be a little skeptical. I'm on to him. Okay, you should always have a bullish and bearish plan so you don't get googly eyes. When you get googly eyes, you only see green, and then when it starts to go down, you're like, what is happening? I don't know why it's going down, because stocks go up and down. So you have to realize that there's 2 ways a stock can go, and be prepared. It's best to be prepared when a stock goes south, because you'll have an exit plan. If it's going south, you don't have an exit plan, you're like, oh no, what's going to happen? Huh? Hey, you, what should I do? Hey, you, what should I do? No one's going to tell you what to do. You should have a plan. Bearish scenario. It's a fake out. So it cleared that major resistance. A lot of traders were waiting for that to buy in. Now, market movers, the guys with all the big money, they could just short this thing and push all of them out of the way. Like a big whale going through a school of little fish, little guppies. Just woof, blow them out of the way, drive it back down to 133. That's what I'm seeing. So it would get rejected at 140, fall to the low 130s. And then from there, do or die. That's it for CCO. Now my next stock is RIOT, RIOT. You guys may have traded this before, but look at this website. Look at all these little computers. It looks like the brain of a robot. If you don't know who these guys are, if you're new to seeing RIOT, they're a mining company, a blockchain company. Anytime Bitcoin goes up, these guys will go up. Bitcoin goes down, these guys will go down. Just like gold or the US dollar moves with the economies. So this is moving with the economy of Bitcoin. Look at this place. It's a big warehouse full of these little computers, these little miniature brains. So looking at blockchain, it's currently trading at $2.91. This is another cheapie. So if you got $3 in your pocket, you're about to spend on an Egg McMuffin, you could buy this thing and maybe buy 2 Egg McMuffins in a week. First thing I see, listen, I got eyes for charts. This is my thing. I've been trading for, 8 years. I got eyes for it now. I look at a chart, immediately I'm seeing matrix coding. Now seeing this, I got strong support, boop, right there. Now this thing has very strong rallies, okay? I guess when Bitcoin gets some news or something in the blockchain community happens, these things move up, and they move up hard. Look at this. In May, just in 1 month, 207%. Just in the month of August, 123%. So if you're in this stock, you get 2 or 3x your money in 1 month. That's impressive. So start scrounging up the quarters, start finding some dollars under the couch cushions, and get your money ready. Because hey, this thing is at the bottom of the support line, so it's going to consolidate for a little bit, and then it could run up for another 100 to 200% run. Unless Bitcoin gets some big news and it goes for 3 to 4 to 500% run. That'd be crazy. Looking at this is a comparison chart of RIOT and Bitcoin. You can see when Bitcoin goes up, RIOT goes up. Just like I was saying, it moves in parallel with Bitcoin. No brainer there. So, bullish scenario, like I said, it's due for another pop soon, maybe in a few weeks, maybe by October. I have a $5 price target because every time the stock went up, it went from 1 to 3, from 2 to 4, now I'm predicting 3 to 5. That's a nice jump. That's a $2 increase per share. That would be incredible. It's not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen a week from now. It needs to consolidate on that support line and show that's a strong support. If it breaks that support line, danger zone, get out. But if it holds it, that $5 price target is looking very, very friendly. Always have a bearish scenario. If you buy into this and it goes down, you'll know why. You won't be surprised. So if that support line does break, $2 is the new support. That would be a good put. RIOT blockchain. It looks promising. And the last penny stock I want to put on your radar. And listen, these aren't 10-cent stocks. If you're trading a 10-cent stock and it drops to 5 cents and you're questioning it, question why you bought a 10-cent stock, okay? Stay in the $1, $2, $3 ranges. They are actually more real companies than a stock that's worth 10 cents. Okay, so we have Galliano Gold. Sounds like an Italian mob created this company, so you probably don't want to do a short on this one if you know what I'm saying. But I mean, looking at the CEO, this guy definitely 100% launders money for the Italian mob. I'm certain of this. I mean, this suit looks like a Ryan Seacrest Macy's suit. So maybe they're not paying as much as they should to this guy. But look at this. They're mining. This is actually a real company from what the video shows. This doesn't look animated. Look at that. Rocks. And every now and then you get a little gold. A little ounce of gold in there. You dig, dig, dig. You find gold. You pocket it. And then tell them you found rocks. But hey, look at these guys. They're rich. Because I'm sure they're pocketing some gold. Does that show up on a metal detector? I don't know. This is obviously a mining stock and it moves with gold. Gold prices go up, this will go up. So I put on here the dollar, gold, and the stock. So gold is orange, the dollar is green. So as the dollar goes down, gold goes up, and mining stocks that mine gold go up as well. So this is good to look at. The dollar has been decreasing, as you know, because of the economy and what's going on, the pandemic, and gold's going up. Because, hey, gold is actually a real thing. Money is just paper. It's monopoly money. It's just worth something because they say it's worth something. Gold is actually worth something. That's why Buffy Buff bought a whole bunch of it. Bullish scenario, we got strong support at $1.31. If this can bounce off $1.31, where support is from mid-May, I can see a $2 price target. That would be a nice move. Now, many things have to move with this. The dollar has to continue to fall. Gold has to continue to go up, and it will push this company up. Bearish scenario, we have a head and shoulders here at the top in the yellow. Now, I'm predicting that that bearish scenario is over at 131, but it could fall lower if that bearish trend is not done at $1.31. It could fall to $1.08. So that's it. That's 3 very good penny stocks. Listen, I was digging through dirt for these things. Typically, you won't find penny stocks that are trending upwards. They're usually trending down, and they're great to open puts on. I have a new deep dive coming out Wednesday, so keep an eye out for that. I haven't done a video in a couple weeks because I've been gone for a couple weeks doing this deep dive. Keep an eye out for that on Wednesday. That's dropping. It's very interesting, and it's different because it was a 2-week thing. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel, and don't forget, by hitting that subscribe, you're a little bit closer to retiring young.